That was a good job. We at the bus terminal, vlogging and shit, you feel me? This is my intro. What's good, you? It's Woodford X2, man, at the train station, what terminal and shit, you feel me? Yeah, I'm about to take this shit to, I'm about to go to an interview and shit, to a job interview and shit. I'm about to take this bus right here, y'all can see, the N49, take that shit to Hicksville and take the train. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Shit, alright? It's your boy Woodford X2. Y'all know what to do now, I'm kidding. Feel me? Heading out, type shit. I'm on the bus. You feel me? Yo, sorry, type shit. I'm about to take this little train and shit to the, y'all stay tuned, man. Just vlogging it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You have to hear me, but I can't really see it. I'll see it when I get outside. But it's snowing a little bit and all that. Yeah, it's your boy, Woodford X2, vlogging on his way to that good old job interview. So I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get to I'm taking this to a train station, so I'm taking it to the last stop. I'm gonna tell you that take this bus that I'm on right now to the last stop. Go to the train station. I'm not telling you what time it is, but to the train station. Then from the train station, I'm gonna take the train over to one stop. Then after that, I'm gonna get off and go inside where I gotta go. And then I'm gonna see y'all again when I pull up. I'm at the train station. You feel me? Type shit. The train station with it. By Duncan. I'm about to go to the top, man, on the platform. Take the train. I gotta do this. I gotta do that. On the escalator, type shit. You love when I come around. And when you up there, I take it down. Get freaky. Hold on. I take it down and get freaky. I don't even know what train I gotta take, to be totally honest with you. I don't even know. I don't even know. But we on the platform with it. We on the platform with it. Oh shit. See, my glasses be low because I should be low. This it? Do I take this bit right here? Hey, you know if this train go to Sayasik?
Yeah, go next stop.
Alright, thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Alright, we on the right train, y'all, so we gonna knock out. Then we on the LIRR with it. The nice guy basically gave me a heads up, like this is the train to Sayasik, which is the next stop over. And pretty dope. We're on a double decker. This train, last time I was on this train, well, I was in a hospital at, let me tell you a little backstory. See, when I was 7 years old, I got hit by a car. And, like I told y'all in my last video, look at the background, though. Y'all gotta see that background. You see that shit? The snow? Yo, how you doing, sir? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, well. Alright, you wanna see my backdrop? Check that out. Check that out. Anyway, like I was saying, I got hit by a car when I was 7 years old, and I had to go to this hospital in Port Jefferson called St. Charles Rehabilitation Hospital. Great place, man. Great place. I ain't gonna lie. Great place. They're really attentive. Very nice. Cared a lot. But I'm taking this train to the next stop. I'm trying to get this job, you feel me? Alright, so on my way to the job. I mean, it's only one stop, so I guess I could just stand up. I don't know if I gotta sit down. Don't you love when I come around? Do you want it? I take you down. So get wicked. That's my shit right there. That's my way. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope y'all have a good day. Good meeting for the rest of y'all day. I'll be back. This is not the end. This is the intermission. So y'all stay tuned. Get down. Let me let y'all know. Alright, when y'all hear that bing bong chick, it started from the trains, man. You know when the trains say, please stand clear of the closing doors. Oh, here. Hang on, y'all. If you walk in, I'll take How y'all say this is the next stop, right? Hold up, y'all. I know y'all in my pocket like, where you go? Where the lights at? Lights cut out? Don't worry about it. We back, man. Alright, listen. Remember that bing, y'all hear that bing bong thing a lot, right? Get back to what I was saying. The bing bong comes from the trains. You know when dude be like, please stand clear of the closing doors, please. They be like, bing bong. Some genius made that put emphasis on that shit and made it a new slang or a new phrase to use. So that's what people be like, bing bong. From the train. And if I'm wrong, that's where I feel like the reference is from. So anybody else know where that bing bong came from, let me know. Feel free to speak up and let yourself be heard, you feel me? To the comments, you feel me? Or whatever the case may be. But you know it's me. Showing love to my family. And that's up a GP. Look at this shit. Get somebody's face. I ain't want to do nothing. The build you up, then I take you down. You know it's lit. And I'm about to go and be fake as fuck, like a fucking counterfeit. And you did the shit, but you just like a movie. You playing by the script. I don't want to go on hella, and you know I can't stop. Can't take the time. Just wanna stay what? Take the dish up. Hold on. Let me tell you what you really go on. Hold on. Talking that bullshit you don't know about. I ain't gonna front, son. I'm a really lyricist, man. I be on my shit. Real pivot shit. Really on some lyricist. Masterpiece, work of art. Man, I'm just a lyricist. Getting it. Lyrically, me, I'm a masterpiece. Matter of fact, from finish to start, it's like a work of art. Alright, y'all. I know you're probably like, alright, this is a while. But yo, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna let y'all hit the bing bong. Alright, y'all.
One, two, three.
Spot. Damn, son, I thought this shit was closed. It's not though. Alright, y'all. I'm in the elevator. I'm at the place I gotta be. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when I come back. You feel me? Wish me luck, man. I'm about to go to this. Do you understand my take down? YouTube. I just got the job. I just got the job. Look. I'm on the interview right now, y'all. I'm on the interview and shit. I just got the job. I just got the job. See? This way he was sitting there. Dub, man. W, man. Big W. Big W, bro. Got this shit and I got it. I got the job, bro. I got the fucking gig, bro. You feel me? Y'all coming out the building and shit, you feel me? So, I'm gonna let y'all, I'm just gonna vlog this bitch, you feel me? But, I got it, man. I got the job and shit, you feel me? Now I'm about to go to the train type shit. I'm about to do 2 crossing. Hope y'all see it. It's fucking snowing out here type shit. Deserve it though, feel me? Working decent. Woo! Woo! Look at this bitch. I'm trying not to get hit by a fucking car and shit. Now I gotta go to the train. Oh! Shit. Going to Hicksville.
Right.
Going to Hicksville.
Hicksville is westbound, 1135. This side, 1 stop.
All right.
1135.
Thank you, ma'am. Hey, she was helpful. I ain't gonna front. She's helpful as fuck. She said 1 something, right? What she say, y'all? What time? I ain't even hear what time she said. I'm gonna look at it though. The weather out here, y'all, is disgusting. Let me tell y'all. The weather is nasty as fuck, bro. Nasty. Y'all wanna see? Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that shit? Man, this shit is fucking, it's cruel. This weather is cruel out here in New York, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. See, I'm in Long Island though, so you know. Long Island is the coast. We on the coast for real, for real. Like, I ain't even gonna hold you. Sheesh. Damn. Okay, shit, she said at 1 something. I don't even know what she said. What time she said? She said this side, 1 stop. She said, I don't even know what time she said, y'all. It's cold as shit out here. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm gonna flip my camera so y'all can see the other side. So y'all can see. I'm at the train station. Waiting for my train, man. Okay, shit. I just like to vlog it. I gotta vlog it and shit. I ain't gonna front. I got the job. I'm happy as fuck. Feel me? Making a nice, decent amount of money for myself. Feel me? I like it. Y'all niggas know I be smoking hella bud. I be smoking mad weed. And I gotta take a drug test. I ain't gonna lie though. The only reason why I really smoke though is because my pops passed away and shit. I be like somehow depressed and shit. And I be anxious, so I be suffering from anxiety and depression. That shit is a killer, bro. Feel me? I had to come up in here. It's like some warm in this bitch. I ain't gonna hold you. Look how this shit look. Feel me? Ooh, this is out the cold, bro. She said at 1 something. I don't even know what time it is. She said 1 something. Oh, she said 1:45. Right there. Y'all see it? Right there on the prompter. Oh, right here. See the prompter? See? Going to Penn Station. I'm waiting for this train. Comes in 11 minutes. 11:45 is the train. I'm taking this train that's going to Penn Station. It's not. I'm not taking it to Penn Station though. I'm taking it to Hicksville. Then I'm getting off, and I gotta take the bus. So I'm a traveling man, bro. R.I.P. to my pops, man. Word, cause Lord knows my dad was a traveling man. You know what I'm saying? Always going places, and I was always tagging along. You know, cause I'm my father's son. I'm a spoiled daddy's boy. Type shit. Word. I ain't even gonna hold you like. Shit is going up for me, man. I'm really excited about what this year has in store for me. I'm really excited. I ain't gonna lie. I hope all of y'all that's watching this right now, hope y'all living up to y'all full potential. I hope all of y'all New Year's resolutions get, accomplished. Hope y'all live up to it, stick to it. Don't lie to yourself. If you know damn well you was doing the same shit last year and you trying to change up this year and do better, do better. Don't, cause you know better. You know better, so do better. Don't act like you in denial. Like, you like, I want to do this, but I can't. Nah, man. Year 2022 is the year of the underdogs, man. Stop lying to yourself. Don't beat yourself up about stuff. Just get with it. Learn to live with it. Get over it, or check it. If you can't do none of that, just respect it and accept it. Period. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Because life is short, man. You want to make the most out of life. You know what I'm saying? I done had a lot of people pass away, man. In 2020 and 2021 alone, I lost a lot of family. I lost my little cousins. I lost my older cousins. I lost my dad. Lost my uncle. I lost a lot of people, man. Took a lot of L's. A lot of L's. R.I.P. to my dad, and if you lost anybody too, I mean, my condolences to y'all. R.I.P. to your peoples, type shit. But yeah, this is Woodford X2, man. Waiting for this good old train to come so I can go back to the house. Cause I did what I had to do. Job, feel me? Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished, y'all. So, hope y'all out there accomplishing y'all missions, man. If y'all got goals out there, I know it can be tough sometimes, cause I ain't gonna lie. Like sometimes when I make my mind to do something, and I be in the crib, I don't be doing it. Like I be, I don't know. I think that laziness, that lazy energy come over me, and I just be like putting everything aside. Like, nah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Nah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. The next time I look up, it's the end of the week. You feel me? Tomorrow is the weekend. Now the whole week done got away from me, and I don't let all my responsibility, not my responsibility, but everything I was going to intend to do, it never got done. So I know how it is to make excuses, y'all. So don't feel bad if you make excuses for yourself, or if you just put everything off and everything like that. Cause me personally, I gotta go to the dentist because I gotta get a fucking root canal. I think I got like a cavity or something like that. And I'm terrified of the dentist. Truth be told, I had that phobia since I was a kid. And I gotta eventually man up and go there. But I just I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I know nobody's perfect, so I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I understand how you gotta stick to your guns and get things done. Bars. Nah, but that just means keep your mind focused, you know what I mean? Stay true to yourself and on that task. That's what it comes down to. So, you know what I mean? I've been planning to come to this place and do this interview for since last year, to be honest. Since like December 26th. December 26th is when I devoted myself to, coming to this place. But I didn't get a chance to get here until my earliest convenience, which is right now. And I was like, you know what? I don't care how it looks outside. I don't care if it's raining, if it's blizzard, anything. I'm coming to this place and I'm getting this job. And lo and behold, what happened, y'all? I applied myself. I came out here, did what I had to do, and I got the job. You feel what I'm saying? God is good, man, all the time. You know what I'm saying? Like, whoever y'all pray to, I don't know. I don't know. You know what I mean? But universe, God, source, whoever y'all pray to, you feel what I'm saying? It's good. You feel me? All the time. Just know that Put your mind to something, believe in it, man. When you put your mind to something, believe in that shit, because it can happen. You feel what I'm saying? That is manifestation. Just don't doubt yourself. Like the slightest bit of doubt will mess up will like sabotage your whole plan. Because I'm telling you, the slightest, the littlest pebble, like a grain of salt, the littlest grain of salt of doubt get inside your plans, it's over. It's over. I'm gonna tell you why. Because what you're gonna start doing is speculating. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna be like, well, then you're gonna start questioning shit like, oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff that go with that. But just don't doubt yourself, man. If you wanna do something, just do it. Truthfully. If you wanna do something, do it. You feel what I'm saying? Like this year, I'm planning to be a fucking, excuse my language, y'all. Ooh, excuse my language. I'm being serious on my vlogging tip. You feel what I'm saying? Like, my channel is like, you know, trying to go up this year, man. For real. I'm trying to really be on this vlogging shit. You know what I'm saying? Making the most of it. Yeah, I know. I be traveling. You feel me? Why not get content of me traveling, doing what I do? You feel me? So, we got 10 minutes with it. I'm still waiting for the train. The train's gonna come from this way. The train's gonna come from this way. Right there. See? The train's gonna come from right there. My backdrop, or the background. Train's coming from this way, and it's gonna come and go that way. It's gonna go that way. So, yeah. This is Widowfoot X2. That I do way past cool. I'm that dude, Widowfoot X2, signing out, man. Y'all stay tuned, stay true to yourselves.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
You walked in, I took it down. Y'all heard that bing bong? That bing bong. Bing bong. I'm telling you, now how that shit stuck in my head, dog. Nah, I gotta get off the train soon anyway, so I'm gonna see you. I'm gonna see you real soon, my boy. Nah, I just wanted to get that for y'all, man, so y'all can hear the bing bong, man. And see where I'm at. Alright, yeah, this is my stop. I'm about to get up off this hole. Yeah. Ooh. That is rocking. Rock the boat, don't you? Don't rock the boat, baby. Don't rock the boat. Don't tip the boat over. Okay. Alright, y'all see where I'm at. My stop right here. Alright, bro, I'm gonna talk to you later. Alright, man. Content for my channel. Alright, y'all. I'm at my train. I'm at my station. I'm about to get on the bus. I'm about to wait for the bus, rather. This is basically the end of the video, end of the vlog. I'm back home in my hood, walking home. Weather's starting to get a little bit more nasty out here. So bundle up, y'all. Take care of yourselves. Have a great weekend. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed my vlog. I got the job, yeah. I got the job, baby. Yeah. This your boy, Widowfoot X2. Way past cool. Now, this how that go. This how it go. It goes, da-da-do. Way past cool. No. Da-da-do. I'm that dude. Widowfoot X2. Way past cool. Now, here we go. Let me make it up with y'all. It goes, da-da-do. I'm that dude. Way past cool. Widowfoot X2. And on that note, I'm signing out. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.